FM99, WMAZ-FM, Macon.
FM99 News at 8 o'clock. Good morning. I'm Pete Conenkamp. Assisted by the GBI, Houston County lawmen have arrested 39 suspected drug dealers. The crackdown yesterday followed indictments handed down by the Houston County grand jury on Thursday. Most of those named in the indictments are charged with violation of the state's Controlled Substances Act. Houston County's District Attorney Theron Finlayson said the arrests culminate a 9-month investigation by a number of law enforcement agencies.
This was a culmination of an investigation that has been off and on since January of this year, including the Georgia Bureau investigation, the Houston County Sheriff's Department, the Warner Robins Police Department, the Perry Police Department, the Centerville Police Department, and the Houston County District Attorney's Office.
Among those arrested in the crackdown, George Ginlett, the 33-year-old Warner Robins man acquitted in the 1979 rape slaying of America's teenager. Well, Southern Bell Telephone Company and Georgia Power may be getting a slightly higher rate increase than had previously been announced. FM 99's Kirk Dorn explains.
The Public Service Commission, having rechecked its arithmetic, meets this afternoon and will likely increase the rate increases granted earlier this week to Georgia Power and Southern Bell. Georgia Power will receive an additional $20 million, bringing its total rate hike to $130 million out of a requested $319 million. It amounts to some $3.50 a month tacked on to the average per-month residential bill this month. Southern Bell's additional money will be much less, $2 million added to the $35 million granted by the PSC on Tuesday. That translates to a $1 a month increase. A PSC spokesman says the adjustments are blamed on unspecified staff mathematical errors. Georgia Power has already vowed to appeal its rate hike in court. Southern Bell says it'll file a new rate case early next year. Kirk Dorn, Georgia Radio News.
Macon police are investigating an overnight shooting in which a Dennis Court resident was injured. Solomon Curry is being treated at the Medical Center of Central Georgia for gunshot wounds. It's believed that shooting stemmed from a domestic dispute, but further details are not available. Bibb State Court Judge J. Taylor Phillips has refused to declare the state's drinking age law unconstitutional. Judge Phillips yesterday rejected a motion from attorney Tom Jarrell to dismiss charges against several vendors charged with selling alcoholic beverages to minors. Jarrell and attorney Bob Daniel maintained that the state statute allowing 18-year-old military personnel to purchase alcohol but prohibiting their civilian counterparts from doing the same thing is a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. While denying motions to dismiss charges against the 5 clients represented by Jarrell and Daniel, Judge Phillips did grant the defendants a certificate of immediate review before the state Supreme Court. Solicitor Clarence Clay says he'll postpone prosecution of 25 other cases until the Supreme Court can rule on the matter. This is FM 99 News.
Bacon.
Women's separates that fit are on sale this week.
FM 99 News time, 4:30 after 8. What to do about the downing of a Korean commercial jetliner tops President Reagan's agenda today. He's cutting short his vacation in Santa Barbara and returning to Washington. Tension in the Middle East is another topic expected to be discussed by the National Security Council today. The president has dispatched 2,000 Marines to the eastern Mediterranean, where they're to stand by to assist U.S. members of the multinational peacekeeping force in Lebanon. The astronauts on board the Space Shuttle Challenger will be giving the craft's 50-foot-long robot arm another series of workouts today. Earlier, they moved the shuttle 54 miles closer to Earth into the upper regions of the ozone layer, where they can best test how samples of future space materials can stand up under constant bombardment by particles of atomic oxygen. Metro Macon weather on the Bill Elder Show. Today and Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy, warm and humid with scattered showers or thunderstorms, highs of 82 to 86. It'll be mostly cloudy with a shower or a possible thunderstorm tonight, the low 71. Right now, 70 degrees. I'm Pete Conenkamp. Goodbye.